Ozo, and these are my girls. We're all BA students at WITS.
And what are you guys looking forward to this year?
Well, I'm looking forward to studying really hard because we're not about to play this year. And then, what are you looking forward to?
Oh yeah, maxing out the academic year to my best of my ability. Yeah, just doing my best, and doing more than last year.
Yeah,
way more than last year.
So did you guys, any of you have like the fees challenges when it came for registration, paying for that kind of thing, paying for your first semester? Tell us about it.
Did you hear what we said?
Did you have any issues?
Yeah, I did, and but the school has a humanitarian fund, and that helped out. Yeah.
And you guys, did you
I
guys
had
manage?
I had to take out a loan to pay off the remaining amount from 2016 to register. So yeah, it's sorted.
So you guys know the Commission of Inquiry is meeting today to discuss free education. How do you guys feel about free education?
I think it's definitely possible, Yeah, definitely.
I don't think so.
I think it is.
In the near future.
I think it is possible. We just need to, stop with the stuff and the lies and all the stuff. It is possible. It is a way. I think the money is there. It's just that it's hidden.
So if government doesn't reach a consensus with students, would you guys be part of the Fees Must Fall protest?
Yes.
Definitely 100% without a doubt.
Were you part of it last year?
Yes.
We were there.
What were
Not
you fighting
physically,
for?
I wasn't there. I was scared.
What were you fighting for?
For free education in our lifetime, for our voices to be heard, for them to listen, so that we can progress. I need to get a university for us to progress and
Make it out
develop
with
the
degree.
society. And that's why we're BA students. So listen to us so we can develop your society.